we are going to have a discussion, and this is our 7th meeting already. So before we start our discussion, we want to introduce ourselves, and we start with Farah first.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Farah Nadia binti Harudin. My matric number is 174346. I come from Faculty Modern Language and Communication.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazrah binti Arifin. My matric number 174474. I come from Faculty Modern and Communication.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azira binti Ciranti. My matric number is 174063. I come from Faculty Modern Language and Communication.
Hi, my name is Khalidah Johamadin. My matric number is 174541.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Nur Akmal bin Rusli. My matric number is 173164. I'm from FBMK.
Hi, my name is Shakir Naidi. Muhammad Shakir. My matric number 173590. I'm from Faculty Modern Language and Communication.
Hello, hi. My name is Muhammad Nur bin Duaidi. My number matric 174569. I'm from Faculty FBMK.
Hi, my name is Umar Kimin Salahuddin. My matric number 173308. I'm from Faculty of Economics and Management.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Norashki binti Abdul Majid. My matric number 174145. I come from Faculty of Engineering.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Najibah binti Ahmad Nordin. With matric number 172271 from Faculty of Engineering. Okay, so what we are going to discuss about for today?
For this week, we need to choose the themes
For our next video.
So have anyone already prepared the tip for our poem?
Okay, I think
Yes, we have two poems, which is Legenda and I Am Dying. The theme is Legenda is about history and I Am Dying is about nature. So we have shared the poem in our WhatsApp group. So let's vote whether we want to choose the theme about legend, about history, and or we choose about nature.
Just to recall from our last discussion a few weeks back, we already decided that we want to choose history or the legend as our next theme. So what do you think? Are we still on the same page or we want to change the theme?
Like that we choose history.
yes. I choose history about history because I think it's very important because history can be a lesson to us as a student. History also we also can learn from history. That's all. Akmal, what do you think?
I think I choose the nature, right? Nature. The theme of nature. It's because I also agree with Luqman, but the legenda or the history theme, we decide to do the theme in the last video. So
I think we come up with that conclusion for the last meeting because we don't have other option, right?
Yes.
At that point of time. So now maybe we have another one which is a nature theme. So I think after going through the poem, I think the nature is a bit easier. It's a bit easier because we can use our environment. In fact, this is our rainy season.
yes.
So it's much easier to make use of the environment to our video for the settings. So anybody have something to say?
Okay, For me, I think I agree for about the history because I think for this time, I think the history we can to remember to our national hero.
But I come up with a new poem because when I go through like the poem, the agenda, actually I didn't really understand about what the writer is going to talk about. So maybe Naim or Manu want to share what kind of um poem is what the poem is tell about.
I think the themes about the nature need use more props. So it's very difficult to us to make the prop and prop to this video.
What is different?
The legenda.
Maybe anybody have something to say, Najiba?
In my opinion, I just agree to have nature as our theme.
Oh,
The reason?
nature.
The reason opposite to what Shafiq said, because he said that the nature we need to have a more rather than the legenda theme. But in my opinion, that we can just use the environment around us and apply, just apply only. But in the legenda, maybe we need to think what kind of props that suitable with the storyline about the poem. So, any
Sorry to interrupt because like what Shafiq said, he said like if we use the history theme, we have to use our national hero and so on. Maybe I think if you want to portray our national hero, maybe you have to use baju Melayu, baju kurung and something, some sort of it to portray that because you want to make use of the scene at that time of point. And maybe for nature, I think it's much easier because we can use our surrounding like Najibah said, and also we can talk about global warming, pollution, and so on. It's much easier. Yes, so pollution we can use cars, smoke from the exhaust, or maybe other kind of thing like people throwing rubbish, littering, and things like that.
Yeah, true. And I think when it shows the history, the setting also need to find the place that looks historical. So it take time to find where the suitable place.
Okay, at museum, traditional house. Can choose.
sorry for interrupt. Just I want, if Shafiq want to make the legend as our theme for the next video, legenda history. If you have any idea to come up about the props, I just agree to do the story thing.
Okay, in my opinion, I already have a costume about the legenda like Hantua. We have the baju Melayu, samping, polo, keris. So we have the other thing, the prop. So it is very easy to do the legenda.
Okay, but I think our our the hard part to do the history. Maybe we have to think about the storylines. I think it's more difficult rather than narration. Or maybe you guys have the
It
opinion or
seems like you have something to say, Azira.
I think I prefer to choose history because Safina said she has also with me, so I choose How about you, Farah?
For me, that two things was come out interesting. I prefer to choose what Shafiq said because he has their custom. So maybe can use custom to produce a video.
Anybody else?
I also agree with Shafiq because I think if we do the history theme, it can give experience for us to do it because the history is one of the tough theme I think.
so you want to try the challenges part.
What about I suggest to choose the history about the Hantua. So we create the video production about the history Hantua from the hikayat hikayat Hantua.
Oh, so our slogan is
Based on the Hantua
story.
story.
Can you like briefly tell us what the storyline gonna be?
About the purpose to the job.
Purpose to venture. So we already have a script about the monologue. So I think it's easy to make the storyline and the dialogue.
I think if we have more progress on history, it's better we choose history rather than just doing it all over again if we choose nature. How about you, Nadia?
I agree with Shafina and Fuchs history because in the history don't you see hard.
So
Okay, I want to change my opinion from the natural team to the history team. This is because history team can show to other people about the history of our nation and also can show a hero of Melayu. Okay, do you agree with me?
yes,
Yeah, I agree with you. Other than that, we can we can portray how the people back then treat each other. Like you said, like to propose kunteja, how their decency, how they engage with other people, and yeah, we know nowadays kids become rude, and then we can portray how people back then talk to each other, how they negotiate things like that. We can show them the values back then, how it can be applied to our modern society.
So I'm okay with these two teams. Okay, but it's so everyone like seems like agree with the historical theme. So maybe we can so now we have already chose our team, which is history, all about legenda, and more specifically about Hamtua.
Hantua and Tunteja.
Is it gonna be a like love story?
Yes, that's the story about Sultan and Tunteja. About the Malacca history.
Ashikin, what do you think?
I think I also agree. I also agree with the history team.
Orang history.
Because I think it's come very interesting things and
How about you, Najibah? What do you think about it? Is it okay if we put some like love scene inside the video?
I'm okay with it. But but I don't know the storyline is about because so just I'm going
Okay, don't worry about the storyline. I think Shafiq can be a storyline and also do the storyboard and scriptwriter. So we just
the
follow
cast
it.
The cast about the
the how many cast that we need for the
Because I think we discuss next week.
next week. I think
For this week, I think we just
we
discuss
only
about
need
the
the
team. Bola aku cakap kau ni. Okay. Yes.
I think for the storyline we also need 3 or 4 actors.
So maybe we can vote. Anybody want to choose history? How many of you?
I depend on majority.
So basically, no need to vote for for another one because majority of us already choose history. Then for our next video, we will choose history as our theme, and for our next discussion, we will discuss about who gonna be the cast members, who gonna be the photographer, and so on. So that's it from us for this week. Thank you so much.
Thank